welcome back to my channel. My name's Kathy. Thanks so much for joining me for this organisational video. It's 2020, we're still in January, and I'm really motivated to redo our pantry. I think that I'll be able to create a very cohesive and beautiful, harmonious pantry, and that's what I'm aiming for today. Give it a thumbs up if you like these types of organisational videos, and I do hope you can stick around. Without any further delay, let's get into the video.
This is our current pantry setup, and whilst it looks neat and tidy and organised, there are areas that really need redoing. I like to group things together to be able to see what we have here to avoid duplicates. The main focus is to replace plastics with glass and ceramic jars. The shelves are quite deep in this pantry and there's plenty of storage space. I really want to utilise the space in the best way that makes it really easy to find things. It's a pretty big job reorganising your pantry. I've allowed some time to do this so that I don't feel overwhelmed. Now that I have everything laid out in front of me, I can identify the duplicates and consolidate what I already have. I'm going through each and every item to identify what I will keep, and anything that's expired will be tossed out. During this process, I'm really hoping to clear up some bench space as well by putting large appliances in the cupboards. So I want to make enough room and create enough space so that I can place the blender and the juicer away in the cupboard for when we really need it. Our microwave is already stored within the pantry, which is a really good use of space. Now the fun part begins, wiping down all of the shelves and making sure I have a really clean surface to start with. The next step of organising my pantry is to plan out exactly how many canisters I will need. I removed some of the old labels and replaced them with new ones. I'm replacing these plastic click top containers and the green baskets with these beautiful glass airtight canisters that I found from Target.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching and have a tops day.